for a subscriber that we just met at Smurf meet, the last meet. So this is what his car looks like. It's an E92 335i with the N55 engine. Pretty cool. Yeah, that's fine. We're not professionals here. Okay, so this is all the stuff we're installing today. We've got a front lip. What's this thing called again?
Rear window louver?
Rear window louver, okay. And then this looks like side skirts right here. Rear diffuser. And then, what's that piece again with the small box?
Rear bumper extension?
Oh yeah, these are rear bumper extensions. The one with the carbon fiber look. Those ones are nice. Okay, so we're doing all this today. We're gonna start with the front lip first. That's what it looks like. It's carbon fiber. Very expensive part from BMW. So, excited to see how that looks. We're gonna do side skirt extensions, as well as the louver in the back, and a rear diffuser. So overall, this car's gonna look nice. All right, so here we are. One down, however many more to go. We need to buy some more 3M tape, so we're gonna charge the drill while we buy more. But it looks good so far. Step by step, turning it into a track car. So we are test fitting the louvers on the rear window. I think it looks really cool, man. It looks like a Batmobile now. So we're gonna 3M tape this on and then see what it looks like. We'll get the rear diffuser too to go with it. I think it's gonna look great. Later, man. So it is officially stuck on now, and little by little, we're getting somewhere. But yeah, I'm a fan of it. I would love to get one on the M3 too if it worked on the convertibles, but unfortunately it doesn't. Okay, so we've got the side skirts on. Close up of what the side skirts look like. Then we've got the rear diffuser, or no, rear side fins or bumper extensions. So for anyone wondering how the visibility is,
It's just like the one you guys have.
it's actually not that bad. It actually kind of looks like multiple wings. We got 4 spoilers back there, and that's Ellie. Yeah, looks pretty dang good. As you can see, the brake lights are still visible. You can see the center brake light. Looks good. What do you think, Ellie?
It looks great. This mod is so interesting, the one in the back.
Yeah, very happy with it, very satisfied. I love the rear diffuser. It reminds me of what the old 335i rear diffuser that we had. Product. There's the rear diffuser. We got it sticking out slightly. you think, man?
Happy. That's good.
We did it. Yeah, it took a couple hours, but and some struggles. I got some back aches, but that's the car life. That's the low life. All right, go take it for a spin and get some rolling shots.
It sound right, boys.
Yeah, we did the front
And
lights,
Ellie.
side skirts,
Kind of looks like Jeremy.
rear bumper extension,
Germ's DNA
diffuser,
2.0.
and the louvers.
Wow, everything. Front to back.
Front
side.
to back. Front side to back.
Yep.
Car's dirty, but
Once we get this car clean,
I'll take
it'll
some good
be the
photos.
cleanest 335 out there. What's next to this car? What else are you gonna do?
Low pressure fuel pump,
Oh, nice.
stage 2 tune.
Stage 2, E50. Okay. So you're gonna max out the boost on this one. It's gonna be really fast. Can't wait for that.
Soon.
Yep. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. And if you need anything installed or repaired on your BMW, contact me and maybe we can work something out. I'm glad to help people. Anyways, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.